In order to protect the device from short circuits during repair, I'm switching it off completely. Then I'm removing two pentalobe screws located to the left and right of the lightning connector. Now I'm using steel blade and plastic pick to lift display up. However, if you are doing this for the first time, then it is not recommended to use steel blade. Instead, you can use suction cup. Now slightly lift the display up like you unfold the books. Now let's unscrew the four white type screws that are securing the display, home button and battery connector. In the meantime, I'm removing two flip screws that are fixing the bracket plate over the FaceTime connector. Now let's take out the brackets, and to avoid losing any of the disassembled parts or screws, I'm using magnetic mat. Now carefully separate all the cables from the logic board with a plastic spudger. Now let's remove the iSight camera. I'm starting by unscrewing the two Phillips screws from the bracket plate. Now let's place the new iSight camera and connect it to the logic board. And let's place the bracket plate back over the iSight camera and fix it with the Phillips screws. Now let's reconnect the display unit to the logic board. Now let's test it before putting back the plate. Everything seems fine. Close it and put back the plates and close the display. You can use glue or double-sided tape to tighten the display. Finally, fasten the two pentalobe screws to the left and right of the lightning connector. Thank you for watching my video.